Neck-bearded tech futurist dudes with AI-generated profile pictures want you to believe that SEO is dead, and that AI will be the new interface for everything, some magical solution that everyone's going to use. But SEO realist and expert Ryan Law says, quote, SEO is the worst it's ever been, and it's still your best marketing channel. Now, Ryan just released an article this morning making the case that SEO is still your best bet for long-term sustainable growth. While clicks may be down 20 to 40% from pre-AI search traffic numbers, there is still so much volume with SEO that it's still the best channel we've got. What used to be, quote, stupidly great a few years ago is now, quote, just great, largely because there's a lot more competition and AI-generated content. Ryan goes on to say that SEO isn't dead, but easy SEO probably is. This echoes what I've been saying, that SEO isn't dead, it just smells funny. It's changing and we need to adapt. We need to lower our SEO performance expectations a bit, expect it to be slower over time, but it will still be a major growth driver for people who use it well. Quoting directly from Ryan, this is the SEO monkey paw. We can create SEO content virtually for free, but now it's much harder to get clicks from it. Now, when it comes to AI, Ryan says we might even see higher conversions from LLM-based search traffic. In a study of 3,000 companies, nearly 2/3 of them were already receiving traffic from LLMs. LLMs are likely to handle the informational search intent, but your website is still where conversions are going to happen. So there's good reason to believe that your website will still need to have some decent top of funnel and really good middle and bottom of funnel SEO content to solve that last mile sales problem. Now, to celebrate realistic SEO expectations, I am cutting my SEO article pricing in half this month. So if you see this, send me an email if you want to chat about that, or whatever SEO/content problem you are facing. I'd love to hear in the comments if you think SEO is dead, if you're one of these AI futurist guys who thinks everything's going to be AI, whatever. Happy to have that conversation and start a little bit of a debate. All right, let me know. Thanks.